read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today's lesson is about number 12, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to count, identify and write the number 12. First of all, try to develop the sense of count because you know very well it's very important to develop the sense. So, display different things, visualize them, 10 rupee note and 2 rupee coin. 10 and 2, 12. Okay, we have developed their sense of counting. After that, identification. Now, how could they identify number 12? Make a flashcard of number 12. Visualize them. You could make different numbers like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And randomly ask from them, okay? After that, formation. Start from the dot, come straight down, it will make number 1. Make a cap, slant down, sleeping line, it will make number 2. They are already familiar with number 1 and 2. So, number 12. 12 almonds, 12 almonds, 12 coins, 12 rupees. So, it's story time. I forgot it. 12 almonds were in plates. The plates were on the table. The almonds were waiting for you to enjoy them. So, we will eat and enjoy. I hope so you understood how you have to teach to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.